Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Jasmine Katrina, and today I'm giving y'all like a little taste of spring. So if you like this look and you want to see how it all comes together, keep watching. Alright you guys, let's get started. So we're gonna go in with the primer, obviously Milk Hydro Grip. That is the primer these days. Okay. I'm really excited to sit down and film. I really want to just do a like spring like makeup look. Nothing too bold, but just like a nice little spring's coming kind of thing, you know? So we're gonna dive right in. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna do my brows off camera just to kind of speed you up through its process, and you've seen how I've done my brows before, and then we'll come back when it's time for the eyes. Okay, I don't know why my brows came out so bomb when I'm not filming, but my brows look great. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal. I'm actually gonna use my NARS concealer. This is from the Soft Matte collection that they have. This is in Dark 1 Cafe. I have not used this in a very long time. And apologies if you hear Onyx behind me, because he's playing with one of his new toys. It's driving me crazy. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this angled brush here, and that's what I'm gonna use to just carve under and get a nice precise okay, and then going in with another brush. So going in with my concealer brush, it's gonna prime. I wonder if I should do foundation first. Let's see. I kind of want to play with the eyes. I've been doing eyes a lot lately first. I'm gonna do foundation first. So for foundation today, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. This is in their shade Hot Fudge. And I have to shake it up a little bit. Now, if I remember correctly, a little goes a very long way with this, foundation. So we're gonna shake it up, and we're just gonna put a little bit on the face, like that. And using a smaller foundation brush, just blend it out. So we really got a lot of like those crease areas. Now I'm gonna take a fluffier and more wide foundation brush. Take a little bit, literally like a drop, and I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, so foundation's done. Okay, so for eyes, we are going to play in the Revolution Pro, the Makeup Revolution palette. This is in the Reloaded palette. So these are the pretty colors. Perfect for what I'm going for. I really want like a soft spring look. Obviously I'm wearing pink, but I think it will be really pretty to incorporate like some browns, yellows, and like a little bit of pink, something for the girls. I'm super excited to try this, and hopefully it comes together beautifully for us. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take a soft crease brush. I'm gonna go in with this kind of like mauvey brown, and then that's gonna be my starter shade. So I'm just gonna do where we crease. Just like that. And so you see a little bit of it, but it's like just enough, like it's giving. Okay, so going in with an all over shader brush, we're gonna take this yellow here. Now, actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go in with this orange. I wanna go in with that orange because I don't know if that yellow is gonna show up without any extra like product. So we're gonna take that orange color and we're just gonna go right in windshield wiper motions, right below that brown. Something soft like that. But you're only going 3/4, so you're going from really the back to the middle part of the lid, like that. Okay, and then taking a very flat blending brush or something like this, I'm gonna go in with this pink right here at the bottom. It's very soft, and we're just gonna put that right here. Oh, that is pretty. Wow, okay. So very pigmented. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I really like that. Like, I really like that pink. Wow. I do want to add a little more. But instead of doing that flat one, I'm gonna actually take a blending brush, a little flat, like a little more thinner like this. And we're just gonna, I know it's upside down, I'm just gonna like swivel. So I don't take a lot, tap off any excess, and just take that through the rest of the lid. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, so let me see. So this is gonna be in Cappuccino. So taking the sponge and okay, all right, I like it. So we're gonna do a little setting powder. So this is the Liss Beauty translucent setting powder, one of my faves, and we're gonna go right in and set where I highlight out. Okay, so we did that. Now we're going to do a little bronze, nothing crazy. Okay, this is the, oops. Okay, so this is the Makeup Revolution foundation. I'm gonna use this as a bronzer. So what you wanna do is get a nice little sponge, and I'm just gonna take a little bit. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, like that. See how I did? Okay. And then I want to use a brush or, yeah. And so I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend all around the perimeter. Wow, okay. might have brought it down a little too far. So I'm just gonna clean that up. So yeah. All right, so for blush, I don't want, because my eyes are pink, I was gonna do like that yellow orangey blush I always do with Juvia's Place, but instead I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I think this is in Caribbean Craze, if I'm not mistaken. And so taking a sponge, I'm just gonna add a little bit, and I'm gonna go right above it on the apples on my cheeks. Yeah, okay. Doesn't look a lot now, but a little goes a long way. And if you absolutely need more, then go over with powder. So, for example, for this, I would probably go in with Neo and Zane. Yeah. I think I want a little highlight. No highlight, no highlight, no highlight. I'm gonna just add actually a little more of this pink and that orange color, just because I know I want it to show up a lot when I put my lashes on. Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of our own mascara. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Double Wand. And lashes. So for lashes, we're gonna do the Good Beauty lashes. This is in the set of Wifey. And no, baby. Sorry, y'all, Onyx is like right up at me. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're back because them lashes almost tried me and we can't be out here going out like that. Okay, so for lips, oh, I meant to bring that blush. It's fine. So for lips, I actually really want a mauve-y color. This is by the Jason Wu, and you can find them in Target. But let me get my lip liner. All right, so we're gonna line this with Juvia's Place Brownie, by far one of my favorite browns. And then add a little lipstick. And this is what the shade looks like as is. So it's a pretty mauve color, from what you can see. And then we're just gonna go in and add a little bit. Baby. I filmed this whole time without my earrings? Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all. Let me hold on. I'm gonna add a little more. Sorry, I had to get off camera, and then Onyx was doing a lot. Okay, just gonna give it one little last. Yeah, I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the look. I hope you guys like this. This is just very, this is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want like a super bold eye look, but I really wanted something that was like just a hint of springtime. It is starting to get a little warmer. It's not consistent, but it's getting warmer. And so I really just wanted to like do this look, and it's really simple. Not a lot of colors, very, you know, not a lot of hoopla, but like I feel very pretty, very spring, very like dainty, especially with all the pink that I have on. Like this is just incredibly cute. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up right here, y'all. Hope y'all like this look. I hope that this encourages some springtime weather and vibes. over here. If you are not a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and join us. So we got videos coming out every week. And let me know what you guys think about this look. Comment below. And as always, friends, until next time, be well, do well, and be safe. Bye.